What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to update Adobe Photoshop to the newest version. First, make sure you've installed the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app on your PC or Mac. If you haven't, head over to adobe.com/creativecloud to download it. Once Creative Cloud is open, click on the Apps tab on the left-hand side. You will see all of your installed Adobe applications and any available updates on the right. Simply click Update next to Photoshop, and Creative Cloud will download and install the newest version automatically. If you prefer to update from within Photoshop itself, open the program and go to Help in the top menu bar, and then select Updates. This will launch the Creative Cloud Updater, where you can choose to update Photoshop alone or click Update All to install all Photoshop updates. Once the installation finishes, relaunch Photoshop and click Help, About Photoshop to confirm you're running the latest version. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.